Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today we are going to peek under the hood and see how JavaScript actually works. Don't worry, I will keep it beginner friendly so by the end you will understand what's really happening when your code runs. So you might be thinking, why should I care how JavaScript works? Well, once you know what's happening behind the scene, you will be able to write code that's faster, debug problems more easily, and honestly, you will start to appreciate just how powerful your browser really is. JavaScript is everywhere. It runs in browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge. It runs on server using the node.js. It even powers mobile apps, IoT devices, games. So yeah, it is a kind of big deal. So what actually happen when you run JavaScript program? So you write your code in the .js file or inside the script tag in HTML. The browser JavaScript engine takes the code and it parse and convert into the something the computer understand. And finally, it execute line by line with a few clever optimization to make it faster. Now, what is a JavaScript engine? A JavaScript engine is basically the brain that runs your JavaScript code. Some famous ones are V8 in the Chrome, Node.js, SpiderMonkey in the Firefox, JavaScript core in the Safari. The engine job is to parse your code, compile it, and run it as efficiently as possible. Now, parsing and compilation. Here, how it works inside the engine. First, there is a parsing phase. The engine reads your code and turns into a structure called abstract syntax tree, in a short AST. And next it compiles that into machine code, and in JavaScript case it just use something called the JIT compilation, just in time compilation, which makes execution really fast. Finally, it runs that optimized machine code. Now, some language interpret code line by line, which is quick to start but slower overall. Others compile everything first, and which is faster to run but slower to start. JavaScript actually does a mix thanks to JIT, just in time compilation. It gets the best of both worlds. So inside the engine, there are a few important parts: the call stack, heap, and garbage collector. The call stack keep tracks of which function is running right now. Heap store variables, object are store, and the garbage collector is like a cleaner that removes stuff you are not using anymore to free up memory. So to wrap up, JavaScript runs inside a JavaScript engine like a V8 or SpiderMonkey. Your code goes through parsing, compilation, and execution, and JIT compilation makes it both fast to start and fast to run. And knowing this will make you a much better JavaScript developer. In the next video, we will look at how to actually run JavaScript, whether it is in your browser console using Node.js or even online editors. If you find this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to JD Codebase for more short practical coding tutorials. See you in the next one.